Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DNS Server Not Responding error on Windows 11. First, restart your internet connection. Turn off your computer and unplug your Wi-Fi router or modem from the power outlet. Wait for at least 2 full minutes. After that, plug the router back in and wait until all the network lights become stable. Then turn your computer back on and check if the problem is gone. If the error is still there, reset your network settings using Command Prompt. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter to clear the DNS cache. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter to reset the Windows network sockets. When both commands finish, restart your computer. If you still cannot access websites, change your DNS server manually. Press the Windows key, type View Network Connections, and open it. Right-click your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter and choose Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. You can enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 for Google DNS, or 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 for Cloudflare DNS. Click OK, close all windows, and test your internet connection again. One of these methods should resolve the DNS server not responding error on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.